I'm Aravindh Guru, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College, Coimbatore. Today, we will see about how to use an online intuitive video making AI tool, which is very much useful for our academicians community because this by using this AI tool, we can make an lecture capturing video and we can share with our community as well as to our students. The students will be very much beneficial after this making this lecture capturing video. Now we are going to see about that AI tool, which is nothing but Veed.io. First of all, we have to go to Google and we have to search on Veed.io. Then the screen will be coming like this. In this, we have to log in into the by using our Gmail credentials or any mail IDs. After that, the dashboard will be like this. The Veed.io AI tools dashboard will be like this. In this, there are 6 options are available. One is to create new project. This is used for editing the video. After we are making a video, we can edit through this create new project. Second one is an record video. Here only we can record or capture and lecture capturing. In this we can add a webcam will be available and then the screen recording option also will be available. The video after recording this video, it will be coming like an nptel video. The screen will be recorded and also the tutors will be available inside the screen itself. Likewise, we can record by using this record video option. Next one is an create an avatar of yourself. It is used for an create an avatar. We can replace our face with this avatar. Next one is create clips, which is used for an short reels like that. Small clippings can be done by using this create clips. Next one is use a Veed template. Here the template will be available. We can fit in our video or image inside that template. Next one is AI text to video. Here if we are prompting any text, the AI tool will generate a video for your prompt. These are the 6 options available. First we will see about an record video option, that is lecture capturing module. After clicking this, the module will be coming like this. Here 6 options are available. One is camera. It will record only through webcam our video alone, which will be capturing. Then audio recording. Next one is screen recording. It records alone the screen. Next option is screen and camera. Here the webcam will record us and then the screen also will be getting recorded. Now we are going to see about this screen and camera. After clicking this, it will be showing which screen we have to record. Here the Google Chrome tab, then the Windows tab and then the entire screen. Now we are going to choose the entire screen option. After choosing the entire option, the screen will be like this. We have to click this entire screen. After that, we have to click the share option. After clicking the share, it will be coming like this. It will be coming like this and the recording will be happening. Now the lecture capturing will be getting started. It will be getting started and we can make our lecture capture video until the recording. After we are making the video, we can click the stop option. After clicking the stop option, the video will be getting generated. This up to this we are seeing about an video generation, that is the lecture capture video generation we have done till now.